Error code 5A00 on a Canon printer signals a faulty waste ink absorber, which is a sponge-like port that soaks up excess ink from the cartridges to keep them clean. Over time, the absorber becomes saturated, resulting in the error code. The common cause of this error is a full waste ink absorber that can no longer absorb excess ink. To fix the error, the waste ink counter can be reset by turning off the printer, then pressing and holding the power and stop or reset buttons simultaneously. With the printer powered back on, press the stop or reset button twice while holding the power button, which will put the printer into service mode, indicated by the glowing on-off button light. Pressing the stop or reset button 4 times will reset the waste ink counter. After rebooting the printer, check if the error is resolved. If the issue persists, it is recommended to contact the manufacturer's customer service for further consultation.